Why we don't wear gray during shooting. Hi everybody, this is Charlotte, your supposedly crush ng bayan. In today's crush ng bayan makeup tutorial, Kilabot ng Kolehiyalo. I attempted this tutorial way before school started, but the clips had all sorts of errors in it, so I could not upload it. So here we are, take 2. So forgive me for being a little late for this back to school trend, but such is YouTube life. Unpredictable. Today I will show you how to achieve this fresh, youthful, no makeup look that you can use for your everyday life. If you haven't subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button down below and the notification bell because this channel is full of it. Whatever it is, it's full of it. And I will prove it to you right now. Stay till the end for my golden words of experience. Not exactly wisdom, experience. The common denominator that I've noticed among all the crush ng bayans that I've seen throughout my life is that they always look effortlessly fresh. So let me help you transform into that butterfly you were always meant to be. And we're gonna do it right now. I'm gonna start off with an eye cream. And this one that I'm currently using right now is Hydrafirm Eye Brightening Repair Cream by Zomedical by Obagi. Obagi, Obaja, life goes on, brah! And this is golden advice that I can leave with you, my F Bombshells. If nobody's nagging you about putting eye cream in the morning, let me be the one. Because we want to be crushed on bayan until we are 95. Put eye cream even in the morning because this one is the first one that will age. We are also going to moisturize our lips with a kiddie lip balm, remove our morning glory, and shave our unwanted hair. When you're already a college student, you are already in your 20s. So I really suggest shaving to preserve the hair that needs to be there. Because remember, your hair strands will get thinner and will become less as you age. But if you have bigote, please wax that or laser it, ha? Mura na lang ang laser hair removal ngayon. Huwag na kayong magtiis sa inyong mga bigote. After we have done our eye cream and our lip balm and shaved off our hairy face, we are moving on to our base. And for us 20-something girls, I would highly recommend BB cushions or CC cushions, DD cushions, whatever cushions. I got mine from the Face Shop. I highly recommend the formula of these BB CC cushions. I will super nag you to use these formulas. It covers well, it has skincare benefits, and it has a high SPF. I'm really turning into such a nagger, but it's okay. I'm practicing to be a mom already. After all, some of you call me Mommy F. Ginagawa niyo na akong nanay. Well, I have the stretch marks for it anyway. It looks so lightweight, yet it covers so much. To some of you who have more problematic skin, go ahead and reach for that light to medium coverage foundation, but put it on top of this. Make this your primer. Make this your base. Again, because of the skincare benefits, you're gonna be hitting 2 birds with 1 microcell. If your skin actually needs more coverage, go ahead. Tapalan mo mukha mo with a light to medium coverage like this. Fit Me Matte and Poreless. Especially on the places where you just need them. For me, it's on my cheeks because of my freckles. Next up is concealer, and I will be using this Rimmel Match Perfection Skin Tone Adapting Concealer in shade Ivory because this is my lightest coverage concealer. We have to conceal to the level of our kahanasyan sa buhay. So if estudyante ka pa lang, pwede na tong Rimmel, manipis or yung Wet n Wild. Kasi wala pa kayong masyadong katungkulan sa buhay, grades nyo lang. Ngayon, kung thesis tayo na, ayan, pwede na kayo mag-tart shape tape. Now, kung mami kayo na nagpapadede, asfalto ang ilagay nyo sa ilalim ng inyong mga mata. At kung singer ka sa Pilipinas kagaya ko, huwag ka na mag-concealer. Kasi wala ka namang trabaho, so hindi ka naman napupuyat. Laging sitting pretty lang. So, conceal responsibly. Next, I will use a second concealer, and this is the Careline Pimple Concealer with Tea Tree Oil. Tatakpan natin ang mga bakas ng pagtitiris. Amoy na amoy yung tea tree oil. Medyo kaamoy ng efficacent oil. So, wag mong dadamihan. Baka isipin ng crush mo, makunat na mga buto mo. Ayan, additional skincare benefit din yung tea tree oil. Anti-bac. Anti-bakat-bakat sa mukha. Antibacterial. Next up, magkikilay tayo, and I will be using this Face Shop Light Brown Eyebrow Pencil. Very, very light lang dapat ang mga strokes. Dapat mas mahinhin pa ang kilay nyo sa inyo. Mapapansin nyo na madami ako Face Shop products na gagamitin sa video na ito because they always do buy one, take one. Every month, meron silang buy one, take one. So, abangers lang kayo doon. Alam nyo naman, estudyante pa lang, di pa pwede umariba sa mga makeup. There you go, can you see the difference between my eyebrows? Crush ng bayan, salot ng lipunan. So a tip about eyebrows is to make sure that your eyebrow product is 1 to 2 shades lighter than your head of hair. Alright guys, ang ganda ko. Ayan na, kilay pa lang, crushable na. Next up is powder, and I'm gonna be using this Nichido Final Powder in shade Creamy Glow. And I'm gonna set my under eye concealer with that, and my T-zone. After a few seconds, I wipe it away and spread my powder on my T-zone. Next, we're going to contour, and I'm gonna be using this Careline Contour Stick para hindi tayo magmukhang Cabbage Patch Kid. Yung bata kasi ako, para akong Cabbage Patch Kid. Papakitaan natin sila na puro kanto ang ating mukha para mahikayat silang tumambay sa mukha mo. I will blend that cream contour using this Tarte Air Bouquet brush, pataas, at papakita natin sa kanila na dalaga na tayo. Hindi na tayo Cabbage Patch Kid. Wag po kayo magko-contour sa bagang at sa ilong. No, no, no. Your cheek contour can blend in with your blush. Your temple and your forehead contour can blend into your hairline. But your jaw contour will not blend in with your neck unless your neck is full of libag. In that case, itigil ng tutorial na to at magkaskas ka muna sa banyo. And if you put nose contour, it will not withstand the Philippine climate of oil and gas. Please, no limitang hire to the nose. No, 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 nose. Kung kating-kati kayo mag-contour, ilagay nyo na lang sa mata nyo. Ayan. At syempre, i-blend. Kamukha ko na si Kim Kardashian. After you've done your contour, I will move on to highlighter, and this is the Maybelline Master Strobing Stick in Nude. I prefer doing the highlighter first before the blush para medyo nakatago siya. Subtle lang dapat yung highlighter for a day-to-day basis, especially for a crush ng bayan look. Subtle lang, wag OA, kagaya ng pagkatao ko. Very, very natural glow lang. Hindi tayo humingi ng saklolo sa mga eroplanong dumadaan gamit ang mukha natin. Gusto natin mang-akit ng tao, hindi eroplano. This is my absolute favorite everyday highlighter. Crush na crush ko sarili ko when I'm wearing this. Eh di lalo na siya, dahil mataas ang standards ko. Next up is blush, and I'm gonna be using this Careline Peach Stick. And the best way to apply cream blush is a technique I got from the Koreans. Use a sponge. Tap it on your cream blush and stamp it in your face. I really prefer peach tones over pink tones as blush so that you don't look like the bride of Chucky or Annabelle. Instead, you will look like the bride of Chucky Dreyfus or Annabelle Rama. If you got that reference, you're old! Like me! This is a very nice blush stick, but please don't use as a lipstick. It doesn't perform well as a lipstick. Nagbubuo-buo siya, but it looks superb as a blush. I crush me. If you have an extra 30 seconds in the morning, line your eyes with this brown eyeliner from Nichido. Literally just line your lash line and then just blend that line with a pointy brush. There you go, a 30-second natural smoky eye. As for the lips, I will recommend Tints because of their lasting power and they are the most natural looking. The one from Face Shop is buy one, take one, I think right now, and it has the most delicious taste. But right now, I'm going to be using my new one, the Etude Dear Darling Tint, and this is in OR205. It's like a gloss and tint in one. Setting spray and baby cologne. So there you go, I have shown you what to do with your face. As for your hair, if you want to add a little variety, use hair accessories. I love headbands, and I buy it mostly from Landmark or Divisoria. Or caps. This would really get the attention of your crush in the wrongest of all ways. Bad publicity is still publicity. There you go, everybody. That concludes our Crush ng Bayan makeup tutorial. I hope you picked up a few pointers on how to do an everyday face. Remember though, it doesn't matter if you've mastered this makeup look. If para kang tuod at masama ang ugali mo, hindi ka magiging kilabot ng Kolehiyalo. Kikilabutan lang sila sa'yo. So work on your sincerity and self-confidence and you've got the perfect formula for being a crush ng bayan. Take it from me! I had a friend who was a crush ng bayan. What? I had braces back then. Before you go, I would love to share some insights, especially to students. When I was a student, I lived by the motto, do the small things with great love. And that was said by Mother Teresa. Because I was such a perfectionist during my academic life, I took every school activity so seriously. Since I did my best in my written homeworks during academic life, I grew up to write well in my adulthood. Since I made sure my presentations were as flawless as it can be, I grew up to speak confidently in front of an audience. And because of these new skills that I developed subconsciously when I was in elementary, doors have opened for me that I wasn't even looking for. I now get paid to write scripts. I now get paid to speak publicly. I didn't even want to be a writer or a speaker when I was growing up. I wanted to be an astronaut or a bank executive like my dad, or a corporate lawyer where I thought the money was. There are things in life that we have to do anyway, like schoolwork, so might as well do it with all that you have, and you will never know the doors that will open for you because of it. I now have skills that I can monetize aside from singing just because I did the small things excellently in my childhood. And each year that I did them excellently developed those skills astronomically. So I guess I'm an astronaut after all. And develop skills astronomically. I love this quote from Jordan B. Peterson, and it says, "If you can think and speak and write, then you are absolutely deadly. Nothing can stand in your way." And I'm not even referring to the English language. You can be just as deadly in Tagalog. And this is exactly where I draw my self-confidence from. I know that I can express myself effectively in my happiness, in my displeasure, in my anger, and people respect me for that. My third insight is to use time wisely. Life plays in a fast-forward mode. I still can't believe I'm turning 37 already when I still feel like 21. So take advantage of this era where students can be shop owners. Online shop owners. Start a business as early as now. Start earning so that you have an option not to be an employee when you graduate, as you have already laid the foundation of a business as early as your student life. So start now, whatever it is, an online shop, network marketing, YouTubing. You don't have to wait until unicorns are real. Anything is possible in this era. There you go, everybody. I hope that was of some use to you. Good luck in your student journey. Good luck in being the crush ng bayan that you've dreamt of being. If you aren't the crush ng bayan yet, for some reason, give yourself time to transform into that butterfly. See? No longer twinning. Caterpillar, butterfly. Caterpillar, butterfly. Crush ng bayan, salot ng lipunan. Thank you everybody for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because the road to success starts with subscribing to this channel. Be an F bombshell and watch yourself achieve your dreams. See you next time, everybody. Bye! Konti na lang, tatanggalin na kita. Mayos ka! Oh! Kumapit ka! Oh my gosh, these earrings! These earrings! Lyogenic lang kayo. Half of my footage will be me fixing these earrings. Tanggalin na kita. Sabi ko sa'yo, exit ka na. Isa na lang. Para cool. Cool, mom. And the best way to apply a cream blush, and blend with a bun. Oh, what's that? Why is there orange in that? Because I was such a perfectionist. If you aren't a crush ng bayan by now for some reason, caterpillar, butterfly. Caterpillar, butterfly. Kung kating-kati. Kung kating-kati. Kung kating-kati. Kung kating-kati. Kung kating-kati. Kung kating-kati. Kung kating. Kung kating-kati. Kung kating-kati. Kung kating-kati.